Hello dear students, today we are going to see a new grammar topic, that is subject-verb agreement. So in a sentence, the verb must agree with the subject in number and person. Now there are certain rules in subject-verb agreements. So let's see one by one. The first one, when the subject of a sentence is singular, the verb must also be singular. Or when the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. Now how it is? Let's see with an example. For example, Vishal likes cricket. Now in this sentence, Vishal is a subject and likes is a verb. So Vishal is a singular subject. That's why we just took likes as a singular verb. Now in the second sentence, Vishal and Mini like cricket. So Vishal and Mini is the plural subject. That's why we just took like the plural form of the verb. When the subject contains the phrase one of followed by a plural noun, then the verb is singular and agrees with one which is singular. For example, one of the boy in our school was praised by the principal. One of the boy means we are talking about only one boy. In this way the subject is singular and then only we used the singular form of the helping verb here, that is was. In this way the subject and verb agree with each other. When a sentence has two singular subjects joined by the conjunction and, the verb must be plural. For example, Bina and Mina go to the same school. Now Bina and Mina are joined by the conjunction, that is and. So it's become plural. That's why we took the plural form of the verb, that is go. When two or more nouns refer to one person or thing, then the noun phrase is thought of as singular and takes a singular verb. For example, idli and sambar is a delicious treat. Though idli and sambar is joined by the conjunction, that is and, but it is considered as one thing. That's why it is singular. When a sentence begins with the introductory there, the verb agrees with the actual subject that comes later. For example, there was a kind king. Now here in this sentence, king is the subject and that is singular. That's why we use this was as a singular verb. In the next sentence, there are 6 teachers in our department. Now here in this sentence, teachers is the subject and that is plural form. So that's why we just took are as a plural form of the verb. A lot of and plenty of take a plural verb when they are used for countable nouns, and they take a singular verb when they are used for uncountable nouns. Both always takes a plural verb. For example, both the hill stations were beautiful. A number of means several or many and is therefore always followed by a plural verb. A collective noun thought of as a single unit and takes a singular verb. For example, there is a bunch of flowers in a vase. In this way, today we saw some certain rules of subject-verb agreement. In the next part, we will see the remaining rules of subject-verb agreement. Thank you.